Indie Shooter, brought to you by Akidio, Band Pro Film and Digital, Blackmagic Design, and Carl's Size.
Hi, Clint with Indie Shooter, continuing on our coverage of the Band Pro One World Open House 2018. And I'm here with Marcus. Marcus, tell me a little bit about 16x9 for people that are not familiar with it.
Well, 16x9 is a North American distributor for professional and consumer gear. We distribute for Easy Rig, Noga, MoveCam, Orca camera bags, Flowcine, Lent-Equip. So we carry a lot of, we distribute for a lot of different products.
So this year, you guys came out with a couple of new products. We're going to talk about the first one.
So this right here is the dual black arm from Flowcine. It is a 4-axis dampening system for camera operation on mounted vehicles, ATVs, boats, that sort of thing. It's made of 2 black arm systems mounted together by 52 millimeter posts right there on the clamp.
So it's like for speed rails, right?
Exactly. Yeah. You're gonna be marrying that to your speed rail system you have mounted on a vehicle, and it's supposed to eliminate all the vibrations of operation.
One of the things they were pointing out to me was you guys don't use wires; you use like little rubber bumpers or something like that, right?
Correct. Yeah. So those are the O-rings, part of the Tranquiliser XL system. So that head right there, you can optimize it to carry for your camera system's carrying weight. The O-rings are rubberized parts that come in a variety of sizes and tensions that are interchangeable on set. It also comes with dampening springs on the sides. So right here, what we're looking at is the Tranquiliser XL. That's going to be the main head. You can mount your camera underneath via cheese plate. What's great about the O-ring system is the pan barrels on the sides also allow for motorized panning motions of your motorized gimbal. So you can stick any Movi XL, you can put your Ronin up on the end, and it'll stabilize all of the motions from the motor operation.
Go ahead and talk about the Steadicam now, and you guys have some accessories for the Steadicam, right?
Yeah, so this is another awesome product from Flowcine. This is the XArm Steadicam. It's an aluminum design, excellent engineering from Sweden. The springs are made of elastomers. Very safe design. You're not going to be pinching your fingers in between the joints of the arm. It's great entry level, also a great option for professional users, those who are experienced Steadicam operators. It's a great leap forward in Steadicam technology. It's very flexible and easy to use. Very friendly, very user friendly.
So is that available now, or?
It is, yep.
It is. And what is the price point on that?
Price point's gonna be $13,800.
The big guy over here, what's the price point on that?
This guy right here, it's about $18,000 to $20,000 depending on the package you get.
So if people want to demo something like this, what should they do? They should try to search up their local dealer, is that right?
Right, so all the major dealers will be carrying it. We're trying to get into the rental world as well. But yeah, it's definitely, it's more of a owner-based end-user type product as well.
It's listed on your website though, right?
Absolutely, you can go on 16x9, 1616x9inc.com. We have our full product catalog, and you can purchase from there as well.
Tell us the website one more time, Marcus.
So that website is going to be 16x9inc.com.
Excellent. Thanks so much, Marcus. I appreciate it.
Absolutely, yeah. Thanks for your time.
Indie Shooter, brought to you by Akidio, Band Pro Film and Digital, Blackmagic Design, and Carl's Size.